Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you learn English step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you don't miss out on any lessons. Today, we'll be focusing on something super useful, common English phrases for shopping and ordering food. Let's get started. Shopping vocabulary. Okay, let's imagine you're going to a store or a market. You need to know some key words that will help you understand what's happening and communicate with the staff. Here are 5 important shopping words you should know. Price. This is how much something costs. Example. What is the price of these beans per kilo? How much is 1 kilo of rice? Receipt. This is the piece of paper you get after you pay for something. Example. Can I get a receipt, please? Cashier. This is the person who takes your money when you buy something. Example. The cashier was very friendly. Discount. This is a reduced price on something. Example. Is there a discount on these shoes? Exchange. When you return something to the store and get something else instead. Example. Can I exchange these shoes for a bigger size? These are words you'll hear or say when you're out shopping. Don't worry, we'll practice these more later. Common shopping phrases. Now that you know the vocabulary, let's move on to some phrases you can use when you're shopping. Pay attention to how the words we just learned fit into these sentences. How much is this? You can use this question to ask for the price of something. Here's an example. How much is this jacket? Can I try this on? If you want to put on clothes before you buy them, you can ask this question. For example, can I try this shirt on? Do you accept credit cards? Do you take cash? The fitting room. If you're shopping for clothes and want to try them on, you can ask this question. For example, where is the fitting room? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? If you're not sure about an item, you can ask if you can return it later. Example, can I return this item if it doesn't fit? These are questions that will be useful when you're buying clothes, food, or anything in a store. Ordering food vocabulary. Now, let's move on to ordering food, something we all need to do. Whether you're at a restaurant, a cafe, or a fast food place, these words will help you. Menu. A menu is a list of the food and drinks that a restaurant offers. Example, can I see the menu, please? A waiter or waitress. This is the person who brings food to your table. Example. The waiter at the restaurant was very nice. A bill or check. This is what you pay after you finish your meal. For example. Can I get the bill, please? A tip. This is extra money you give to the waiter or waitress for good service. Here is an example. I left a 15% tip for the waiter. Special. This is a dish that is made for that day or week. Sometimes it's not on the menu. Example, what is today's special? These words will help you understand what's going on when you sit down to order food. Common food ordering phrases. Now let's move on to some useful phrases you can use when ordering food. I'd like. This is a polite way to say what you want to eat. Example, I'd like a cup of tea, please. Can I have? This is another way to ask for what you want. For example, you can say, can I have a chicken sandwich? What do you recommend? If you're not sure what to order, you can ask the waiter what they think is good. Example, what do you recommend? Is this dish spicy? If you don't like spicy food, this is a good question to ask before ordering. Here is an example. Is this dish spicy? Can I get the bill, please? When you're ready to pay, you can ask for the bill using this phrase. Example, Excuse me, can I get the bill, please? Now you're all set to go shopping and order food in English like a pro. Let's quickly review the vocabulary and phrases we learned today. Ready? Let's go. Repeat after me. Price. Receipt. Discount. How much is this? I'd like a coffee, please. Can I have the bill? Great job. Now, let's move on to a quick quiz to check your understanding. Quiz time. It's quiz time. Let's see how much you remember. I'll ask the questions, and you can answer out loud or write them down. Ready? Let's go. Question number 1. What is the question you ask when you want to know how much something costs? Is it A? What size is this? B. How much is this? Or C. Can I try this on? The correct answer is B. How much is this? Question number 2. What word means a piece of paper showing what you bought? Is it A. Receipt, B. Price, or C. Discount? The correct answer is A. Receipt. Question number 3. If you want to ask for food, which phrase can you use? Choice A. I'd like. B. Where is the bathroom? Or C. Is this spicy? The correct answer is A. I'd like. Question number 4. What is the word for extra money you leave for a waiter or waitress? Is it A. Menu, B. Bill, or C. Tip? The best answer is C. Tip. Question number 5. What do you say when you want to pay after your meal? Choice A. Can I have the menu? B. Can I get the bill, please? Or C. I'd like a drink. The correct answer is B. Can I get the bill, please? How did you do? Let me know your score in the comments below. And remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found these phrases helpful. Don't forget to practice when you go shopping or order food next time. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next lesson. See you next time.